We're over here taking a look at this rexair RV. It's a 33 footer. It has a Ford chassis in it. I believe it has 65,000 miles. This thing is a little older. We kind of like the layout. It's pretty cute. We were thinking we'd take all this furniture out. We'd have a bird. We'd build like an office table thing here, and then another bird right here. This kitchen doesn't look too bad. Once we start getting into some of these other areas, like down in here, it looks like there's, I don't know, maybe some water leak that happened at one point. This refrigerator is pretty old and rough looking. It looks like it's from the 70s, to be honest, but what's up?
Smells.
And it kind of stinks.
It smells like dog.
Here's the back room, and it's got kind of like a king wide, but a very short bed in this back here. Still got quite a bit of storage. We have a few areas right here that are slightly dirty or maybe have been water damaged as well. But for the most part, the ceiling looks pretty good. It is fiberglass construction. It's got this like fuzz on here that kind of dampens the sound so it doesn't get so echoey. Standing here, my head is like all the way up inside that area. We also have a couple cracks up here on this vent cover, but you can obviously get one of those. The size and the layout could work. We might do something different in this back room, but this is one of the, this is the second RV we looked at. The first one, we went out there and we just walked away because it stunk. It was old. It was covered in cobwebs. What do you think about this one? I'm done rambling.
I feel comfortable. I don't know. Just like the 1990s kind of homey. Like I like the color. It's different.
I like this open window all the way around here. I think that this front living room area, given enough room for the birds, is perfect for us. This kitchen is a nice fit feel. I do feel comfortable in here as well. I like this front area. We are minus a backup camera, but these front seats do swivel back this way, which was kind of our plan as well. And I also like that we have this big open area where I could throw a bird up here with a perch. Damn birds, they consume too much of our life. Take this TV out, set some shelves up. Yeah, we'll do a quick walk around the outside, but we might put this one on the back burner and think about it for a minute. I mean, if we got it for like 6,000, maybe, but at 7.5, I don't really like the Ford motor, and it doesn't have landing gear. All right, take a quick walk around. I didn't see too many seals that were cracked or anything. It doesn't really look too bad. I like this solid color along the bottom, the pinstripe, and the Rexhall logo and stuff on the side doesn't look bad. It's got a nice pinstripe across the top. Full fiberglass rubber ceiling or roof. Looks like there was a little bit of damage over here maybe. I'm not too sure. Yeah, something happened here, right? That screw's pulling out or something. The tires don't look too bad. I didn't look at the age of them, but it's looking fairly good. Now they do have it plugged in and it does have a generator. We fired up the truck and this generator. It's running pretty well, that's why I cut the sound. And it also comes with a few new batteries. We're gonna take a quick look at each one of these hatches. That's the gray and black tank and water. In the back here, we've got another storage compartment that also has your hardwired power cord and another container that actually had a RV cover in there. Now the tires are Toyo and they are looking pretty good tread. I wasn't sure what year they were, I couldn't find that. The propane tank was looking old. It did have some in there, so it's obviously holding pressure. And it also had the Ride Right system, which helps regulate the pressure in your air. Now this is a dually, and it does have some nice tires on the back as well. A couple more compartments to take a look at. These do go all the way through, so they are very big and deep. I don't know if you can see that in this video. And here's the last compartment. Now there was some stuff from the previous owner. We even found a bottle of vodka in here. We didn't pull the awning out, but it was looking pretty nice. A lot of the times they'll have a lot of mold and dirt buildup on them, but this one was kind of clean. We're gonna do one final walkthrough and then take a look at that ceiling. Now on the front grille, we did have that 90s fake chrome and it was peeling off. There was also a new battery in there.
And I actually really liked this RV. Now the bathroom did have a slight musk scent to it, but I think you could really clean it up and make this one a decent RV. I mean, come on, man, it's $7,500. Now this also has a tow hitch, but this thing looked kind of janky. It's like the smallest one in the world, and it's welded onto like a bar. It does have a wiring harness, but it's not the 7-prong.
Let's go ahead and head up here and see what's going on. All right, here we are. Like I said, there's a couple roof covers that need to be taken care of. Looks like we got an antenna over there that could just be removed. Overall, it doesn't look too bad. It's not much to get some sealant and go around here and seal up all these screws and all these connection points around the RV to make it look nicer and keep a lot of that water out for a while.